Hello, welcome to another Gatekeeper video tutorial. My name is Aaron Bieber. Today I'm going to be showing you how to grant access to Unifi controller from outside your network. This is a local, internal to your network Unifi controller, and you'll be giving access to people externally via our multi-factored Gatekeeper product. All right, let's take a look at what we need. So first you have to have a Unifi controller on your network. This tutorial assumes that you have users and access configured. It also assumes that you have a valid TLS certificate installed. Unfortunately, Ubiquiti doesn't have anything fancy like Let's Encrypt, so it's kind of a manual process. We also assume that you have an external DNS entry pointed to your AccessEnforcer. This is where this is what will let users access all of the goodies. All right, so here's the rule information. Let's go ahead and get over to our Gatekeeper page under Security, Gatekeeper. And here's our portal. Let's go in and manage our rules. So as you can see, we have an existing rule for our Synology drive. We're going to make a new one. We'll call this netadmin. And we're going to set the type to HTTPS. And our internal information is 192.168.54.111. Port is 443. We're going to grant access to myself. And our info here is Unifi controller. And we're doing unifi.abcproservices.com. Let's go ahead and add that. And let's save our rule. Cool. So now we can switch over to our pretend user and we can sign in. So get this going. Get our multi-factor. Okay, here's our new rule, the netadmin. We can go ahead and click connect, and we should be able to access our Unifi controller. Sign in as admin. Cool. Here we are. From here we can, oh no, our access point's down. From here we can find out the status of our network, do various activities, upgrade firmware, change the VLAN that a port is assigned to. Well, you want to be very careful not to change the port that you're currently accessing things through. That would be bad. And as you can see, it's fully functional. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you later.